But I know a guy in McKinney, and he can probably paint the white blue for probably maybe $1,500, $2,000.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
And then it would be all blue done,
Okay.
painted.
Yeah.
But yeah, you're even wrapped. You're gonna spend about that.
Okay.
So, but it all depends on your taste.
Yeah. Well, he was saying somewhere around that same range for the wrap.
Caprice though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's worth it.
Yeah.
It's
I'm gonna check it out. Who finna run right now? Yeah, that's my YouTube channel right there, man. Who finna run? Come on, y'all. Let's go see who finna run, y'all. Wrap that up. Okay. Let me see what they got going on up here, y'all. We're finna see what they got going on up here, y'all. Game of Lab, what's up with it? Yeah, I'm still on here. Game of Lab 1, what's up, man? You back in here? I guess before I holler at them, I'm gonna go see what this car doing. I look like that same car from, no, it ain't. Hey, man, what you get, man? Yeah, I seen them. Did my shit look?
That left, yeah, your shit look like it's running.
It do?
Yeah. Big somebody, he'll try you.
Oh, Betty Will, what's up, Johnny White? That bitch was getting it low.
That motherfucker did look good, dog.
Yeah, that bitch a one clipper. That bitch a one clipper, right? Hey, live. Here we go, y'all. Low. Man, let me show you what that bitch wrong. Well, you can't say nothing though, cause it's still live. And they all wondering too. Look at that. Here come Pig too.
You got a long sleeve shirt in your car?
No.
Jacket. You ain't got
I ain't
nothing
bring
in there?
nothing in there. I would have been glad to see you something too, man.
I had a mother jacket. I put that bitch down. I said, I ain't gonna need that motherfucker.
You don't need it.
See.
It's doing something low. Yeah, low. It's doing something. No. Don't start calling nobody, man. Don't start calling people, man. No. No, don't call nobody, man. Wait a minute. Hey.
I'm making chili cheese goddamn me. I get
You ready to call somebody?
We'll try you. Nah, I told you I can't fuck with him tonight. He'll fuck me up. I got regular gas.
Nah, me too. I got on,
Nah, I went out there fucking with the junkyard and I had to stop at Buc-ee's and get
man, you
regular
couldn't
gas.
even whoop all that car in the 7-0 class, man. Clint. Why you ain't get in the 7-0 class?
Fucking with that shit.
Oh.
He can't win it because he
broke
don't
out.
know how.
Hey,
Oh.
I broke out.
But you gotta know how to win though, bro. You gotta.
You don't know how to win?
He gotta lead first, and he can't.
Oh, yeah, he can't lead first.
Hey, I run a 689 the first pass.
But
I
it
broke
don't
out.
matter.
Look, somebody was just
You
asking.
can't lead first, bro. You gotta be in the front and start slowing down, bro. See, you be in the back and charging them motherfuckers.
Yeah,
And
that's what
how
you be
lose.
doing.
In
Yeah,
order to win the
you be
bracket,
leaving later
you
than
gotta lead first. That's
all
the
that
only way
shit.
to win a race like that is lead first.
Yeah,
bro.
that's what
If
you
lead
be-
second, You gonna run too motherfucking fast trying
And
to
I
get.
left first on Mike Hollis. I still broke out.
But he left first and then broke
No,
out. He ain't
no,
slow
he
down.
lied. He
Yeah, I
lied,
did.
bro.
On Mike Hollis, I run a 698.
You know damn well he can't leave on Mike Hollis.
Better 100.
Oh, yeah. Nah, you talking about that truck?
Check this out. Better 100. I left on him and I broke out with a
We ain't
698.
gonna be able to prove that.
So he would have been able to put him out low.
That's right. All you had to do was slow your ass
I
down.
was slowing down. Hey, I run a 698.
Slow down a little more. You must be scared. Shit.
So it was close.
Huh?
Was it a close race?
Yeah, I mean, and like I said, I left on him.
Let me
Hey,
see.
and he was coming, and I'm like, I'm trying to feather it. Hey, I broke out 698.
Oh, man.
698.
You think he left?
No.
Hey, That was at Ennis. When we had the 7-0 at Ennis. We was
Yeah.
at Ennis.
Man, I don't
Hey,
think
that
you
was
left
the same-
on
hey,
Mike
that was-
Hollis.
Hey, that was the same night I fucked up Lil Mac.
Oh, okay, that night. Okay. Let me see. Get that bumper out and stay there. Yeah, you just got to get that bump out there. He said to stay out there, man.
Nah, my car ain't really made for drag racing. It ain't.
Yes, it is. What else is made for? It got a supercharger on it and 800 horsepower.
Hey, it's made
For
for
going
a road,
in the circles.
It's made for a road course, man. It ain't made because that's why it don't leave. It don't have no instantaneous.
Somebody else got one and they leaving way harder
No,
than
they
you. You
ain't.
just don't
No,
know
they
how to
ain't.
drive it or
Hey,
something,
damn
man.
motherfucker out here leaving harder. That car gonna take off when it take off.
Man,
and nobody can hit that. Hey,
I Jerry Johnson them. And
they
Yeah.
got a Mustang, man. They don't have the same transmission. That ain't no Chevy.
Change transmission in that motherfucker.
Huh?
The change transmission.
He don't like changing, taking nothing
You know
out the
what that
car.
transmission
That's
cost?
why he would never take that stick out.
Motherfucker, it won't let you leave. Shit.
It don't need to be. It ain't made for that.
Well, baby mine here talking about who you whoop.
Say, hey,
Yeah,
you
who
get
can you
hey,
whoop?
look, you get Tony Johnson, all them motherfuckers out there, and see what I do to
On
they
the highway?
I run out their motherfucking life.
He'll run out their life, low.
You
And
and quit too.
but unfortunately, people don't race like that.
Yeah.
They say they got street cars. Hey, meet me on the freeway, nigga.
Man. Let me see.
Yo, gonna look like he got a fucking parachute back there slow. Who? Yo, car.
Like he got a parachute.
Look at it. Look like it's a parachute on back
Oh,
there.
that's what it look like? He talking about for real. That's his car right there, y'all. Yeah, you had to, shit, you had to. You can't, I know he,
One time much as your
No,
car.
no, it don't.
I know who he came with. He came with that Tesla.
That's right.
Hey,
You
Now,
can't whoop
electric
that.
car, man.
So what? You can't beat it.
Hey, get him up there, then, Quinn.
Man, I can get him up
Get
there.
him up there, Quinn.
He'll beat your car. His
Ah,
car
fuck.
taking off.
Hey, fuck. Nah, he
Yo.
run on a regular tree. That Tesla run on a regular
Yeah, he'll still beat you.
I try him, man.
Man, how much?
Hey, man,
About
I
3 to
try.
100. We starting at 300.
Yeah.
All right.
I try that.
I'll get him.
Hey, on a regular tree.
Hey, yeah, man. Gonna whoop pig ass, man.
Regular tree.
On a regular tree, I'll get a man. Call Chris ass, man. Call him right now.
Hey, you think Omar fucked him up? I'm gonna fuck him up too.
No, you ain't.
Shit.
You can't, yeah. Omar probably can give you the back tire. He might can let you hit. Yeah, Omar can probably let you hit. Let me call Chris right now with this Tesla. Tell him to come try pig. Got a free 300, 500. They over here cleaning the track, y'all. I'm getting these races set up.